So a few months ago, I thought making YouTube videos was easy. Open my software, make a few drawings, record my voice, and upload. Sharp. I figured it out. But then I started watching creators who have been doing this for years. Professionals, camera movements, pacing, psychology, storytelling, and sound design. Every answer I found created 10 new questions. I felt overwhelmed, lost. It felt like climbing one small hill. Then I realized that hill wasn't the mountain, it was the beginning. Funny enough, the person who knows the least often sounds the most certain. And the one who knows the most has learned enough to question himself. Psychologists call this the Kruger Effect. It happens because people who lack knowledge also lack the skill to know they lack it. They suffer from a double curse. They're incompetent and they don't know it. But yes, the clever part. The real experts, the people on the other side of the curve, often underestimate themselves. Because they find the task easy, they mistakenly assume it's easy for everyone to. In short, the naive have a massive bubble of illusion, while the experts are just busy quietly mastering the complexity. So if you've started doubting yourself lately, maybe you're not falling behind. Maybe you're finally seeing how much there is to learn. Real confidence isn't knowing everything, it's knowing you will never stop learning.